Hi, I'm Blair, the COO and co-founder of Zuri Fertility. At Zuri, our goal is to bring the miracle of life to every couple that wants to be a parent. Every year, over 3 million couples in the US struggle with infertility. My wife Jasmine and I are one of those couples. In 2018, we tried for a baby, but we had trouble getting pregnant. It created a lot of self-doubt, wondering whether one of us was to blame. It was embarrassing for us to talk to family and friends. But after wrestling with this for months, we had a breakthrough. Jasmine, a physician assistant, reached out to our network who gave us the answers we needed. So after many months, we conceived this beautiful baby boy. While our story ends happily, most people do not have this backdoor access to the medical field. On average, couples spend over $60,000 on fertility treatment to achieve just one successful pregnancy. $60,000 for one pregnancy. And less than 40% of employers provide coverage for fertility treatment, and most put severe restrictions on the coverage. The message is clear. If you are trying to conceive, you are mostly on your own, and that puts couples into financial anxiety and emotional duress. Now, Juliana, our CEO and co-founder, is going to describe what that process looks like, feels like, and what we can do about it.
Once couples are trying for a baby and realizing they're unsuccessful, the cycle of anxiety, self-doubt, and expense starts. They often turn to their primary care doctor for answers, but these physicians are poorly equipped to answer fertility questions. And because of the medical definition of infertility, couples often have to wait 12 months before they can see a specialist. So they turn to the internet, which, as we all know, is a trove of misinformation. Once they finally do get to see a specialist, it can be months before they even receive a diagnosis and an answer. And only once they receive that can couples start fertility treatment. And that start can itself go on for months. The average couple needs more than 3 cycles of IVF for one successful pregnancy. The clock is ticking, the anxiety is building, and the money is evaporating. And still, they're on their own. There has to be a better way, and we call it Zuri. Here's how it works. We help couples by offering 4 things. First, we offer a telehealth evaluation, followed by at-home testing for both partners. We also offer a medical concierge and longitudinal support, all in one convenient package. Let's talk about each in turn. First, a telehealth evaluation from home. In this step, our doctors determine what might be the problem and order the tests that may provide clarity. The couple then receives tests that they perform at home, and our doctors use those results to give them a diagnosis. As part of the concierge process, we then refer them directly to a specialist to receive treatment. In short, what used to take months or even years is now happening on a much quicker timeline. Even better, as they now make their way through treatment, Zuri stays with them. Our longitudinal support package offers educational content, individualized medical plans, a support community, and wellness resources. Our simple, elegant solution is meeting a market for fertility products that is surging. But what we at Zuri know is that no one is addressing couples' needs in a comprehensive, medically focused way. At Northwestern's fertility clinic, here's the way that looked time and again. Couples brought test results or had used services from the startups you see on this screen, only for us to tell them that we had to redo the work that had already been done. We built Zuri to actually solve these problems for couples. 18 months ago, Zuri might not have worked, but as we all know with COVID, telehealth has skyrocketed and is here to stay, and at-home testing has improved. On a macro level, couples are waiting to have children, so the need for fertility services is only increasing, and employers are eager to provide fertility benefits to capitalize on this trend. Now is the perfect time to launch our product. The low number of employers that offer fertility benefits actually represent an opportunity for us. Our research has shown us that employers want to offer fertility benefits, but they don't have the right solution. Zuri is that solution. We'll target industries like law, tech, and consulting who already offer attractive benefits packages, and employers will pay for our service on a subscription basis for couples who are active on Zuri. We've developed a pricing model that is specific, targeted, and based on discussions with other benefits providers in this space. We plan to charge $2,000 as a one-time bundled payment for our telehealth evaluation and testing, plus $200 per couple per month as a subscription service. We expect couples to stay with Zuri for an average of 8 months for an anticipated total revenue of $3,600 per couple. Based on the number of couples in the US with infertility each year, our total addressable market is $12.1 billion. In our initial target market of Chicago, our potential revenue is $460 million. After establishing ourselves here, we can grow to cities with similar market dynamics. I briefly want to highlight my stellar team here. I'm an MD MBA candidate with a background in clinical medicine and early stage VC. As you heard, Blair's a father, and he's also a JD candidate. And Michael is a biomedical engineering candidate with a focus on user-centered design. Our backgrounds complement each other very well. But most importantly, being a parent will be the most important job that any of us will have. And that's why we're so passionate about Zuri. The $150,000 from VentureCat allows us to put Zuri in couples' hands. Our number one priority is to build our app and our initial technical team. We'll also bring on providers to start seeing patients and license a medical records system for them to use. In order to get off the ground, we will recruit an initial panel of couples to beta test our product. We've talked to over 100 couples, physicians, and benefits managers who are all super excited by Zuri. We're also in diligence with Long Jump Capital, Pillar VC, and angel investors to raise a pre-seed round later this summer.
Zuri means beautiful. Our company was born out of this idea. Having a child should be a beautiful experience for everyone. My family's future includes a sibling for our son. Getting pregnant will be better with Zuri.